Wonderland. Listen, write, speak, and read.
Hello friend, welcome back to Wonderlearn. Today, we are going to learn basic English vocabulary about parts of the body. So, stay tuned until the end and let's learn English together while exploring the parts of the body. Let's go! Ankle, arm, back, cheek, chin, ear, elbow, eye, eyebrow, eyelids, pincer, foot, forehead, hair, hand, head, heel, hip, index finger, knee, leg, lip, middle finger, mouth, nail, nipple, neck, nose, soldier, stomach, teeth, teeth, thumb, toe, toes, waist, wrist. Okay, thank you my friend. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.